Hi, my name is Vijay, and today I'm going to present about V-Cred, my project submission for the hackathon. The goal is to implement transient short selling. The problem we are trying to solve, what is short selling? Short selling is essentially trying to sell an asset, expecting that the price should decrease, and then to buy back the asset at a lower price point. The benefits of short selling is that there are potentially bad projects where the price is expected to go down. It's also currently missing in DeFi except for very few projects like Open. On the other side of the picture, it could lead to infinite losses if you're not careful. So maybe a short-term short selling or a transient short selling where we take advantage of very high token volatility which is currently present in the DeFi marketplace. So how to short an asset in DeFi? Now that's where the power of credit delegation by Aave comes into the picture. So if you look at this flow in this picture, so first someone deposits a certain amount of tokens into the margin contract. So the margin contract will be like a pool of tokens, let's say wrapped ETH, for example. The trader on the left tries to initiate a short sell. So he thinks, for example, that wrapped ETH price will go down. The short seller contract then borrows the wrapped ETH tokens on behalf of the margin contract, and it immediately sells the token or shorts it in 1 inch, for example. And in this case, the 1 inch API was used and a mainnet fork was done. The token, once it is sold, is converted to a stable coin. So for example, the wrapped ETH could be converted to USDC. And then, as the dotted line shows, the USDC, that is a stable coin, can be used to buy back the token or the asset which was shorted, which was wrapped ETH. And this asset is then paid back, that is the delegated credit is paid back to the margin contract, and the position is closed. So the first step is to deposit the money into the margin contract, and for this we can use the deposit collateral method in the credit delegation, the Aave credit delegation. And so essentially we are now depositing 10 wrapped ether from that contract into this margin contract. After that amount has been deposited, then we can approve the borrower. This will be the borrower contract. So the borrower will be, in this case, a short seller, and the short seller is now allowed to is given a line of credit of about 10 wrapped ether. Seller then withdraws the tokens. This is about 3 wrapped ether, and build the call data using the 3 wrapped ETH which you have got and also the token addresses. Once you've got the call data, then to call the actual short sale, that is to perform the short sale of the 3 ETH using the call data and the information, and this transaction is successful back into the wallet. And as you can see, 3 wrapped ETH was converted to about 4,992.615 USD. And then essentially we just wait for the price to go down. So the price which is at this point had just gone down to something like this, which is about a 3% drop. And essentially we just wait for this 3% drop or a few 4% drop, and then sell the USDC, that is swap the USDC using the 1 inch protocol, and get the money back as wrapped ETH.